what's up everybody? David with Tough Guys. I've got the kids with me and we're going to be doing some eating this Jello play monster slime. Apparently
it's that other one.
Apparently it's slime that you can make the kids play with and then you can eat it, and apparently it tastes really bad. The Markiplier that we watch, he actually did this as well, so.
But instead of 3 scoops, he dumped the whole thing in.
Yeah, he did. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna follow the instructions that are on here and then let you guys know how lovely it tastes. So let me show you the setup that we have and how we're gonna do it. All right, so here's the monster slime flavor and the unicorn slime flavor. Both of them have the same instructions. They tell you a little story and then they tell you how to set them up. Both very similar. So I've got some water and we've got 2 bowls and we've got a couple of mixing spoons. I don't know why we have this. And then we have 2 spoons for tasting. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. True. There's my other camera right there. What's that?
The knife for the plastic to like stab it and get it open, because it's really hard for us to get it open.
Mm-hmm. You look very excited about this.
I like cheese.
You would think you would be more excited.
I wish it tastes like cheese.
So we've got both of these. Let's take a look at monster slime and unicorn slime. All right, so look, they have these little tabs on them, you see? So it looks like inside of here, so that's why we have this, because it's already super messy. So there's the measuring cups that are inside. You have one too?
Mm-hmm. My hands are not that dirty.
My hands are already covered in this stuff. All right, so this made a huge mess when we opened it up, as you can see. Gigantic mess. What do you think so far?
So good.
Okay, so 3 scoops.
Hold on, so 3 scoops. 1.
That looks like small.
Hold on, there you go. 3 scoops. There's 2.
That just flew that other stuff.
Sweet.
Oh, that's good.
You gonna do 1 scoop in yours? Okay, do it.
Just bounced off like
1 scoop. Boom. Another scoop. All right, put that back in here. Put that back in here.
There is
2 scoops.
6. My brother right there is 6. And 6 and I'm 5. My name's Andy, and then my brother's name right there is Memphis. My dad's name is David.
That's me. Oh God, why does the dust bounce out? It's the worst thing ever.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, I know.
Stop! All right, it looks horrible. All right, so here's the mess that we've left.
I tasted some of that and it tastes like wheat.
It tastes like wheat.
It actually has no flavor.
So this is the mess we are dealing with here. A quick overview of the horrible mess.
And then it's 1 scoop of water next.
1 scoop of warm water. So pour 1 scoop of warm water and stir for 30 seconds. All right, so 1 scoop. Oh, it's not. Oh, that's what's happening. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, it's kind of hard. Why is it so hard? I think we might need more water. Oh God, it's just turning solid.
Okay.
Oh! You did another scoop? Yeah, I'm gonna do another scoop. Hold on. All right, can you hold this? Hold it like that so we can see inside of that. So this is very, very thick.
That looks orange.
Yeah, that is
it's
thick.
Super thick. All right, keep mixing it.
This is actually pink.
Oh, it smells like.
This is actually pink, but it
Mine smells so good. Smell it. It smells like real lime.
It smells like some kind of chemical. Are you gonna mix it for a second?
Dad, smell it. Smell it. It smells like real lime.
Can I smell it? Can I smell it?
That looks like some kind of chemical sludge. Yours seems to be mixing better.
No.
We might have to add a little bit more dust, like a tiny bit more. Oh
Okay.
God.
Okay, I'll add some more.
Mix it.
It's hard to even. I'll add a little more.
Oh! We don't want to add too much, so we'll have to put more water. Mix it good, mix it. Yeah, now we've just got soup. Now we just have soup. We put too much water. We added a little bit more dust into Memphis's over here.
Okay, we might just start over again.
Huh?
We might just start over again.
Yeah. No. We just need to add a little bit more dust.
Okay, let's do that. Okay.
Oh, that is slime.
Yeah, It's starting to turn into lime.
Slime?
It is starting to turn into slime, right? Like Memphis says. Well, in the show Markiplier, he adds...
I don't think we should have done that extra water. Like, I think we really screwed ourselves over there.
Yeah. But this might turn into the same slime, but now we don't care about that. Right? I think that's done. You want to try it too?
I think yours is perfect.
Okay, I'm going to try it.
All right, let's show that off. Let's look here. Hold on. Let's look. So Indy's perfect consistency. How's it taste?
Yum.
Yeah, I doubt that. Let's try this.
Doesn't taste bad at all. Doesn't taste maybe this really bad.
Oh God, it's so gross.
Memphis.
I don't even know where he is.
Is this?
Oh God.
I want to taste it.
I can't wait to taste yours.
I'm getting a spit cup.
Okay.
Dying to play.
Memphis, I can't wait for you to taste mine.
So Memphis, we finally have a good mix on his. It is just lovely. I mean, look at this. Like, make sure that you put a tablecloth down, because otherwise it's just bad news. It is just bad news.
You try it first. You try that first.
Daddy, I want to try it.
Can you try that?
Spit cup.
Yummy.
That's not, I don't need a spit cup. Well, it's slime. You're supposed to use your hands.
Dad,
Just
look.
play with it.
That
It's
looks
supposed to be like play slime.
dun, 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 dun. Yeah!
Last time we made slime, it turned out wrong.
Try some.
Oh.
No.
Try it. Eat it. It's edible. That's the whole point.
Try eating it, Memphis.
I eat off my own fingers.
It's the stickiest, worst feeling. Like, it's like glue.
It's just melting off my fingers.
I have a feeling that inside my body, it's just turning into like a solid clump of material.
Yeah.
Piece of garbage.
Yeah, it doesn't taste very good. What do you guys think?
Ooh.
Are you just going all in over there? You're just all in.
Ah,
Oh my God.
I have unicorn.
Oh no! Oh God, it's like glue. It's like it's never getting off me.
Dad, look. Dad, look. It's like Dad.
Look at me.
Quit.
No,
Oh,
no, no,
God.
don't shake it. Don't shake.
Don't shake. Oh,
Oh.
I made a mistake. Okay, so the water seems to get it off like super easy. All right, so wipe your hands off. What do you think?
Yeah, pour it in here and make it like liquid.
That,
Hey, I have an idea. Hey, no,
Yeah, that tastes too bad.
if you don't want to eat this, you can rather just make it liquid and just put it in a cup and drink it.
You could drink it, but I don't think it's meant to be food. I think it's just meant to be slime that you can eat.
Yeah, that tastes like chemicals.
Take it to me. Just take it.
All right, so my daughter's getting cleaned up. She's probably gonna spill the water everywhere. This is Jello Play Slime. It's a gigantic, huge mess. Water does give you some relief if you're trying to clean your hands. If you want to eat it, you can eat it.
It tastes horrible.
I think
kind of-
tastes. I think Memphis's tastes good.
The lime one is something special. It tastes like limey chalk. The consistency of it is interesting. It kind of So what did you guys think about it? Tell the camera what you thought about it.
I thought mine was like weird tasting, and I thought my brother's was like good tasting.
Yeah? Yeah, what did you think about it?
I think my fingers had tentacles.
Thing
And
will
I
do.
also thought this thing tasted like chuck. Try. Oh, you like it?
Dad!
Okay, I can't do it. 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 Hey, thanks for watching this video. It is not food, but it is a toy that apparently you can eat that just makes a ruin of your house. So if you're gonna buy it, remember that you're gonna ruin everything you love. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Don't eat it!
Stop the recording.